Right, I've got the noise happening in the back. My head unit is on. I'm currently set to volume 0. I don't know if you can see that. I'll just focus it in. Yeah, it's currently set to volume 0. So I'm going to go over to the amplifier speaker. Squeak. That's coming from the actual amp itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug these RCAs, and the noise should still be there. So it's the front RCAs out. It's still making a noise. And just to prove, I'll unplug the RCAs from my subwoofer. So it's coming from this amp, not that amp, the small amp. Yeah, the noise is still happening. It's not coming from any of the speakers. If I put my ear against the amplifier, you can hear it, so it should get louder. Closer, put the phone towards the amplifier. So that one's okay. They're both running off the same ground, or there might be a similar ground point. And oh, the noise has stopped now. It's disappeared. So what happens is, after a short period of time, the noise disappears completely, but it comes back again. And that is the thing that's quite irritating. Anyway, this is a short demo of the problem I'm having with the Alpine.